Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to show you how to replace the battery on the iPhone X mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone, then remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using a pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, you need a good suction cup or something similar. Here we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove 5 screws to take out the protector shield. Then undo the touch plug, LCD plug, and earpiece assembly plug. Now we can take out the battery. There is a black color sticky tab on top of the battery. Peel it and take out slowly. Again, you had to apply the same steps on the battery's bottom right to peel the sticky strip. Once it has ended, take a pry tool and lift the battery. Take out the battery, and next you can add the adhesive to the new replacement battery. Then you can place the battery on the body and connect the plug to the logic board. Next, we can start connecting the front screen to the body. First, connect the front camera assembly plug and then connect the LCD and touch connector plugs to the board. And also make sure to add the shield by adding 5 screws. Now we can clamp up the phone, clicking the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. To finalize the installation, you can add the SIM tray and 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.